Hey there guys and gals, and welcome back to the D4A channel. Today is a big day, and today we are doing a lot of things. As you can see here, I have this little list, and on this list is everything I need to do in order to be ready to fire up my bike carb 4AG. So as you can see, I'm going to be very busy today. So I'm going to shut up and I'm going to start working, and I will get back to you with some commentary, and useful information during the rest of the video. Whew. Okay, it's nighttime outside. Right now is 9 p.m. and some 20 minutes. And I have been working on the car today, the whole day, and yesterday, the whole day. Each of these 2 days, I worked more than 12 hours and I am super tired. But almost everything is done. As you can see on the list, everything that we need to fire up the 4AG is done. The only thing I haven't done is that I haven't installed the engine hood because I don't need it. I haven't done anything with the clutch or the throttle cables. I do not need any of that. I will just whip the throttle with my hand. I don't care. I just want to fire the engine up. Also, I haven't filled the engine with oil and I haven't filled it with coolant. I will do that tomorrow. So what's happening next? Now I'm going home. I'm getting an energy drink and I'm working through the night to get this video edited and published ASAP. Now, I have no idea how long it will take me to do that actually, but what I'm doing is, so here, look at this, here is the time, Sunday time, GMT time of the live stream of the first start of the 4AG. Now, I already know that the live stream will be a crappy quality, so I will be, as I do the live stream, I will also be filming with a better camera and will publish a normal high quality video as well, in addition with the live stream. So in the description and also in the pinned comment right below, you can see all the other, time zones for the live stream. So I guess that's pretty much it. I am barely sitting still. I have no idea how I will edit this video. God help me, but I will do it because tomorrow I want us to hear the roar of the bike carbs. So wish me luck and see you soon in the live stream.